This reusable flip lid is designed to fit only threaded, stainless steel Simple Modern vessels in the Classic collection. This lid does not fit the Simple Modern Voyager, Cruiser, Slim Cruiser, 16 ounces collegiate pint or any other brand of drinkware. Leakproof plus BPA free. Flip lids are leak-proof and straw lid prevents spills. Dishwasher Safe. Clean in the top rack of your dishwasher. Limited lifetime warranty. The Classic flip lid is a replacement lid for the Classic Tumbler. The handy travel mug keeps your favorite beverage hot or cold for hours. The clear replacement comes with 2 straws and is leak-proof in the closed position. Dishwasher Safe on the top rack. Top reviews from the United States. Perfection. I love these tumblers and this is only my most recent one purchased. The Honolulu lid is very much a neon, but I love how it looks with the deep ocean navy and the blush pink straws. As you can see, I got the flip lid and the straw lid. The straw lids are great, but the ones in this listing are very short in a 28 ounces cup. They work, but wouldn't work in the 32 ounces. So I ordered the 12 pk of blush pink in the 28 ounces length to complement my color scheme. I love it. The flip lids are leak-proof. They do not spill when closed. I even shake my cold drinks with these lids and no leaking. Why does anyone make the other kind of lids? Regardless of which lid you use, drinks stay cold overnight. With the flip lid, drinks will be uncomfortably hot hours later. Overall, this company is just doing everything right in terms of function. 11/10.